What is a will and how does it work? Attorney Stephen Bliss says, a last will and testament is basically a set of instructions that dictate what happens if you die. It says who you want to be the executor of your will. That's the person who will administer your estate. The will then says who gets your assets in the event that you die. It can say how and under what terms and conditions they receive the assets. Perhaps most importantly, a will nominates guardians for your minor children. What a will does is provide some organization of your affairs to be managed through the court system. What a will does not do is it does not avoid the probate systems, so that all of your affairs are going to be put in front of a judge and subject to court scrutiny. Unfortunately, that means that all your affairs become public record, which most people don't really like very much. A will does not keep you out of the probate system. There is a big misconception that if you have a will, your affairs will not have to go through probate, but that is just not true. The reality is that a will is really a piece of paper signed by a deceased person. The only value that the will has is when a judge signs a court order saying that the will is valid, and this is how the estate assets are to be managed and distributed. So, until a judge signs off on a court order such as that, the will itself has no value. In terms of how does someone make a will? Well, there are people that have written their own wills in handwritten form and then have it witnessed by a couple of people. Most people have an attorney draft a will for them to make sure that it's done properly, that it says what it needs to say, and that it's executed properly so that it cannot be challenged in court. For a free consultation, call Attorney Stephen Bliss at 858-228-4433 or visit his website at www.steveblisslaw.com.